Hello, welcome to our next part of reviews. We are in Füssen, Germany, and we have just ate at a wonderful place right behind us here. It's pronounced Chapeau. Chapeau. Either way, it is a quite wonderful little gem of German cuisine. It has a slight French flair with expertise in cocktails. Higher style dining, however, it offers a lot of lower style prices. So it reminds me of a very expensive American restaurant where you go to and you're waited on. You have a bartender that is a master at crafting drinks, knows exactly how to present things, but you only pay a few euros for that. So it's a very wonderful find on this trip, and I would strongly recommend that. We had the burger and the flambée. The flambée, again, a French pizza cooked in a brick oven. Very delicate like crust, and your assortment of toppings you can pick with it, done very well. You also have the burger, which was the German grown beef here, no preservatives, very fresh, and you can really taste that in the hamburger. But if there was ever a place to eat while you're in Füssen, I would strongly recommend the Chapeau.